To rank your Google business file on the top, there are multiple things which you do, but there is one common thing which I find multiple people do not even know about it because it's little bit hidden. And what exactly it is? I'm just talking about the service. There will be an option where you have multiple powerful things into the service. Custom options are there. You have a descriptions. You have multiple things. What are those? How can we do it? How do we write it? How can we utilize it? Every single thing we are going to explain you into this video. So watch this video carefully till the end. Go and apply it and beat your competitors.
Hello guys, welcome to the new video where you are going to learn something very powerful. Why I'm saying this powerful? Because of the fact that this is one of the attribute where most of the business owners or digital marketer miss it out, and that is services. Okay, so let's go onto the screen and check it out. So for example, if I take an example of Gitanjali Enterprises, you see multiple options here. To rank your profile on the top of Google, you need to ensure that you give maximum information to Google about your business, that what kind of business you are in and what kind of services you provide, so that if somebody searches, you come on the top and you get more calls. So one of the option is edit services. If I just click on edit services, you get a lot of services under the primary category. The best part of it, that if you want to add more, you can just click on add more services, and Google will suggest you few services which is pre-made. Okay, if those services are related to your business, you can select it. Otherwise, the best part is you have option to add custom services. This gives you power to use your direct primary keyword where you want to rank on the top. For example, if this business want to rank on pre-wedding photo shoot gown on rent, okay, you can simply save it out. And not only that guys, you also have option to directly click and put the service description. This is something which 95% of the people don't even know it. Like, we can put the service description. Service description is one of the option where you have option to describe your primary keyword, and again you are using the keyword and letting Google know what kind of business you are in. Okay, so again you are going to describe about it. You have 300 characters to describe about your services. So once you are done, you can click it save and done, and you can add more services. For example, if I take another example of Visual Studio, you go to edit services, and here we have multiple Google Business Profile custom services and the description. The description looks like this. For example, if we are focusing on wedding and engagement, we are using the keyword wedding and engagement, and we are also explaining this particular service, how this can be helpful and useful. Okay, so first go and check your Google Business Profile whether you are using all the custom services related to your business or not. If not, then please go and use it. Use the description, update the description, and let Google know what exactly you do. Hope this information was very useful for you. If yes, just write down into the comment section like whether this is a useful information for you or not, and once you have done, what was the impact and benefit of it. Yes, so hope you have liked the video. If you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe to get more tips and tricks of how to rank your Google Business File on the top. See you in the other video.